Ah, medyo mahirap yung question. Why are we continuing? Um, I would say we have a very young team until now. We have like how many rookies? 8 rookies. And the rookies that we have, they are not the prized recruits. Um, pero mas naniniwala kami kasi as sa aming coaches na once we see a potential sa isang player, we try to develop them. And siguro, ayun mo, karamihan kasi yung age namin, siguro we're one of the youngest dito sa but at least nalalabas namin yung kung ano yung meron sila. And yun yung coaching namin. And so, siguro, yun nga, kailangan lang magkaroon ng enough experience at the same time, yun nga, maging mas composed pa. Medyo everyday struggle kasi hindi katulad ng, hindi kasi kami nakakuha ng mga ace players, kumbaga. But, kailangan nyo yung trabahuin kung ano yung meron kami. And we're happy with this result kasi parang after 2 seasons, may resulta. And that's more than enough for us para ipagpatuloy lang. Hindi lang kami. Mas dadagdagan siguro namin yung pressure to the players na kaya nyo sabi namin sa inyo, kaya nyo. So, yun. Just continue working hard and hopefully makumpleto na yung lineup talaga namin para mas malabas ako ano yun.